Hey guys, very quick note before you jump into the training videos for Facebook ads. So Facebook has recently changed the look and feel of Ads Manager. Everything is still there. They just have moved things around. And keep in mind, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, they're used to this. They always test different things, different layouts to see what works best for their business and what does not. So very quickly, when you log into your ads manager, some of the menu options here are gonna look a little different, but if you look on the top, here is what they changed. So website clicks and app engagement are now called traffic. So if you wanted to create website clicks or app engagement ads, they're under traffic now. In the old interface, which I used to create the videos for this course, you would see those options one by one, two different. So they're basically simplifying the interface and combining multiple options into one. That's all they're doing. Number two, look at this. Post engagement, page likes, event responses, and offer claims and these used to be different objectives listed here, and now they're called engagement. Look at that. So if you wanted to create post engagement, page like ads, event responses, or offer claims, you will just go click here and then follow the steps. Website conversions and app engagement are now called conversions right here. So again, stepping back, they're trying to simplify the interface to make it easier for people to create ads. So when you go through this course and other videos that are included in this course, if you can't find something in the right place or just like how you see it on Facebook, do not worry. Everything is still there. They are used to shuffling things around and moving the user interface here and there. If you cannot find something, any ad objective or anything else, just drop me a message in this course, and I'm usually very good in responding back to all the messages within like 24 to 48 hours. So again, quick update on what Facebook has changed. Just the look and feel, everything is still there. If you can't find anything, leave me a message.